everybody. It's Angie Rupert, founder of Rupert Law Group. We handle exclusively E-2 and E-1 visas, so no matter what treaty country you're from or where you want to be, we can help. So today, please take a moment to like and subscribe if you find this information helpful, and we hope that you do. Also, feel free to share with a friend if they're also interested in the E-2 or E-1 visas. Today, I wanted to talk about some success stories. Because yes, we've had many recently, and I wanted to talk about the different types of businesses they had and the different types of investments that they had. So you can just kind of get a sense of the types of businesses and the types of investments that are getting approved. Okay. So number one, I want to talk about our investor from Ireland. He invested in a startup company. It was a medical insurance call center. And he invested $99,000 in a variety of different things, and he was approved. We also have an investor from Canada. She did a very popular thing. She started her own property management and staging company. She ended up investing $93,000 and was approved. An interesting tip on the property management. She added the staging portion and invested in some staging furnishings, furniture, things like that, and also is now helping landlords rent out longer term and short term rentals. So something to consider for those of you who are considering property management companies. We had our recent approval in the UK, and our investor started an art production company. He ended up investing $244,000 for that company. However, something interesting and something we get lots of questions about, $182,000 of that 244, so way more than half, was through equipment that he already owned. So we were able to show that he was the person that purchased the equipment and that the equipment was physically located in the United States and would be used for this business. And we were able to use that equipment that he already owned as part of the investment. So keep that in mind. That is possible. We also had a Canadian investor who purchased a business. So some people start, some people buy, right? And he actually purchased a business that did mailbox rental, shipping, packaging, things like that. He ended up investing $96,000 and he was approved. So yes, you can buy, you can start, you can do whatever you want. We had a recent approval from our clients in Israel. They have a genetic agriculture business. So one of the more kind of unusual businesses that we get, but we love those. That was a startup as well. And they initially invested $120,000. So with that said, these are just a handful of the recent approvals that we have received for our clients. We've had people from all over the world, as we talked about today, Ireland, UK, Canada, Israel, and there are way more. In addition, so many different types of businesses. As we always talk about, almost anything is possible with the E-2 visa, as long as you have customers or clients that aren't you. Right? You need to have other people who are your customers or clients, and that it's legal. Other than that, the sky's the limit, right? So we had medical insurance call center, property management and staging, art production company, a business purchase. So you don't have to always start your own. You could purchase something, mailbox rental and shipping, genetic agriculture business. So anything is possible. Anyway, and our investments varied from $93,000 to $244,000. So if you fit somewhere in there or in between, and I know that you do, that's almost everything, right? That's the whole gamut of investments and the whole gamut of businesses. If you have an idea for your E-2 business and you're interested in speaking about it and about the amount of money you want to invest, call anytime. We'd love to speak with you about your E-2 visa.